Maker's Digest. This is part 4 in our 3D print diorama series. Today we are going to look for a sloth. Let's see what Thingiverse has for us in the way of sloth. We got a Buddha sloth. We've got a straw sloth. At least it's the whole animal here. Sloth bust, Buddha sloth, Astro sloth, sloth cherubs, a sloth marine, a sloth astronaut, and we won't look at that sloth, secret compartment sloth, Buddha sloth, more sloth marine, Goonies sloth, that's cool. Astro sloth, why are there so many space sloths? Does anybody know why there are so many space sloths or sloth marines? Am I missing something? Let me know. A slothicorn, that would probably be the coolest thing for the girl. She would love that. I should print it anyways. Sloth dolphin, slothfin. Poorly printed sloth. Key sloth. That's not anything. Okay, well, there's not a lot of offerings on Thingiverse. I think this is the winner. It's the only one that's got arms and legs and it holds onto a straw. Let's check it out. Sloth holds onto a straw. I don't know, I want to watch that.
So I don't really know.
I want to see the pictures. Let's get it. Sloth without the cutout. I wonder if that's a cutout for the straw. Let's find out. Okay, sloth downloaded. Let's flip over to Slicer and have a look. Right, add the sloth, download, sloth without cutout, open, processing. I'm always in that. Oh, he's little. Yeah, it does not have the cutout for the straw. It looks like you could probably still grip a straw, but it's not that perfect circle cutout as we saw on this. You can see it's like shiny in there. All right. Let's see. Do 0.15, 20% fill density, slice, preview. Not a lot of contact on the print bed. Oh, he's at an angle. Can we fix? We fixed. Now let's see. Slice. A little more contact, but that's not much. That is first contact. That is layer 1. Not much there. Let's put a brim on it and see what we get. Still not a lot of contact. Nope. Let's not do that. Not great contact, but at least it's on a brim. Yeah, kind of an ugly one. Oh well. Let's give it a try. with brim. right, we've got the time lapse set up. We'll see you after. Well, it seems that I was wrong about the time lapse. It did not come out. It's pretty hit or miss. I don't know what's going on, but every once in a while it works great. Every once in a while it does not. So still working that out, trying to figure it out. But the good part is I have my old digital Rebel. It's actually one of the first, is the first digital Rebel. Pretty old camera, but I can control it with Octolapse. So it's going to take better pictures than the Raspberry Pi Cam can, and I'm going to set it up on a tripod and get that working. That's next studio project I have to get. Anyways, here's the tiny Sloth. It is barely attached to the print bed anymore, and that's it. It just comes right off. Get this out of the way. It's so little. Pull this fun stuff off of here. There it is. Tiny Sloth. Let's try to get a better focus on this. That should be the last animal that we have to print in this series. There might be a little bit of something else that we have to do. I think we were talking about putting some lighting into the diorama box, so we may end up putting some LED strips in there with battery and a little 5-volt booster. So if we do that, we'll definitely make a video on it. Till then, thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.